sick of doing these little kits that didn't work. So we're going to try something else. We're going to make elephant toothpaste. All right. So what we have in the bottle is hydrogen peroxide,
dish soap,
food coloring, and dish soap. Okay. Then what they are fixing to mix up,
water and
yeast. Don't pour all of the water. Pour some of the water in, and then stir it up. Stir it up, Law. Be careful. Stir it gentle.
So you don't want to make a mess. And you want to stir it until you get a nice melted ice cream consistency. But little by little, you don't want too much water in it if you got too much water in the cup or anything like that. And as I can see, I need more water.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Lachlan Case needs more water too.
So I'm gonna.
I
Like
need
this.
more.
See, it does this. I don't know why it does this. Just keep stirring.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
we
just
need
have
some.
keep on
more
stirring
water.
and stuff like that.
Keep stirring.
Sissy needs some.
I know we said we were going to do oobleck, but we decided to do elephant
toothpaste because I've seen it before and it's awesome.
And I've never done it, so we're
And
trying it
I
and see.
love elephant toothpaste actually. So,
All right.
Mom, I'm gonna need your help a little.
Just keep stirring it. If you keep stirring it, put some more water in there. And the more you keep stirring it, the more it does. Like, it gets really thick, and then it starts to thin out. Okay? So this is just regular yeast.
Yeah, it's trying to get all that yeast stuff out because yeast is made bread. So it has, I think, gluten.
It's activating it.
Yeah, it's activating it.
I don't know
Maybe
if
yeast wants to harden
yeast
all
has
that.
gluten or not.
I don't know. But
That is something that somebody can do for
research.
science experiment. Oh, there we go. Look at there. See, mine's starting to loosen up now.
Yeah, mine is too a little bit, but there's still some on my spoon.
Yeah, there's still some in mine too.
And
as you can tell, we don't use a whole lot of like good dishes for this stuff.
yeah, I'm
Use
literally-
experimental stuff, okay?
Yeah, I'm-
Don't use your mama's good china for this. She
Yeah.
might hurt you. All right.
Don't use
Alana?
China for this.
Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. And now we
Yeah.
get to put it all together.
And my spoon.
You ready? Well, use your finger. It's not going to hurt you. Here, paper towel.
It actually
All right, you ready?
feels like a nice food mask.
Yes.
Give me that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
You had it done.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You had it done quite well. All right, we're going to dump this in here. Just wait and you'll see.
Chris!
Oh my gosh.
Chris!
See what happened.
We're going to hope that it works. Ah! The yeast didn't go in there.
Go, 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 go! Hurry, hurry, hurry!
I'm trying.
Ah!
Hurry, my left toe. It worked.
Let me turn this around for y'all.
We have elephant toothpaste.
And,
Yay!
as you see,
It's making a mess.
It's making a mess.
I think it has.
It looks like Mars and Boo just threw up.
I thought
It's supposed to do that. Leave it alone.
I wanted to go all the way around the bottom.
Oh, it's going to. Just leave it alone. Look at it. It's still going.
I love this so much. And it feels weird.
And the good thing is, this really isn't going to hurt you.
Oh, look at it. It's going
Unless
fast.
you
Yeah.
get it in your face. Don't get it in your face.
Ew.
Ooh, it's Mars
Do
and
you
Boo
like-
pooping.
Do you like elephant toothpaste?
Oh, God.
Whoa.
Yay!
Oh, yeah.
An experiment that finally worked. It worked, Pop.
It smells like
What is it?
berry.
Okay, stop that. It's elephant toothpaste. And it does stink.
It's like you know the foam that you get in your hair after you put so much shampoo in it and you scrub it around for a long time? That's
You
what it
put too
feels
much
like.
shampoo in your hair. We're gonna have to give you a bath.
Yeah, I need
Right
another
now.
paper towel.
Well, you're gonna have to. Oh,
I
look,
need a
there's
paper
roll.
Yay! I need one.
Okay, here you go. Tell everybody bye. I said we like elephant toothpaste.
Bye. We are going on the
one.